Guys, welcome to this new video. I'm going to share the system and automation on how you can generate leads for your business using a simple automation on make.com. If you don't know what make.com is, it is a no-code automation system that allows you to build AI agents to help you with certain workflows, whether it's marketing, sales, lead generation, etc. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kenji Low. I am an AI marketing agency owner. I have an agency here in Melbourne, Australia, and I help businesses scale with less effort. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll just go through the make.com sequence. So if you don't have make.com, I'll share it in the link below where you can sign up as well. It's free, where you can have multiple amounts of workflows that can help you with your business. So as you can see, there'll be three different types of software that you'll need for this AI automation. So first one is the Google Sheets, where obviously you'll have Google, and through that we'll search the rows there. We'll need Perplexity as well. If you don't know what Perplexity is, it's very similar to ChatGPT, where Perplexity allows you to search the web and fact find, compare much better than ChatGPT. Obviously, you'll need to connect your email, whether it's Microsoft or even Google, and then obviously another Google Sheet where you'll update the rows as well. But before we do any of that, we'll do need to search for leads through Google search. So there are two ways. This is the more thorough way to do it, but you can also do it from using an app called Amplify, where you can scrape the data from Google through Google search and find, whoever it is that you want to search for. So for example, I'm using the profession of dentist, right? And I'll attach these in a document as well. So for example, here you can search LinkedIn for dentists at Gmail, at Yahoo, at Hotmail, at Outlook, at AOL, at iCloud, or at Example. So Example being that it could be their website. So you need to get this prompt and put it into Google to obviously get the list. But when you scroll down, you'll notice that you'll get up to here and there might be numbers. So you have to download this Chrome extension called InfiScroll. So InfiScroll allows you to infinitely scroll all your Google searches. You can go up to 10 pages, 100 pages, whatever, right? So literally you can get 1,000 leads who are dentists that might need marketing, that might need sales, or might need some help with, helping their business. So as you can see, I grabbed this, right? And you can scroll down. So I'm just going to copy everything here, right? So as you can see, it goes page 3, goes page 4, and it's just continuously scroll. So you can keep going. You got people in Canada, right? So you got people, right? Canada, UAE. So we'll stop here. We'll just copy that. Then we'll go to ChatGPT, right? We'll paste all this in. And then from there, you need to type in this prompt here. Okay, and prompt is, okay, so the prompt is format the data below or above into a table with these columns: full name, company name, website URL, company description, email, and phone number. If a cell is not available, fill it as NA, right? And then, right, you can obviously see that there's some other ones there too. So we'll get rid of these as well. Yep, so they're part of that prompt too. So, all right, so I'm just gonna scroll here. So get the full, we'll get all of that, but you'll need to create a template, or you can use the one that I'll share with you, where you'll have to structure it out: full name, URL, company description, email, phone number, and status, right? So what you do afterwards, once you get all this information, So it's only giving me 16, which is fine. So it's giving us something like US, Sydney. So what I'll do is I'll copy all of this, copy to the top, and I will copy and paste that here. So it should give you that. If you want to, probably easier to just export it, but I've got them all here already, right? So, well, let's go back to make.com. So in Google Sheets, the first webhook, we will need to ensure the spreadsheet ID is this one, right? So the one obviously that we use for the spreadsheet. We got to highlight it sheet one, right? We then have to make sure that contains headers. We have to also make sure that the status, which is G, is not sent. And then the email does not contain NA, right? So what that means is that it will send the email to all the emails that are in the spreadsheet. If there is an NA, it won't send that to them. So we'll do that. So make sure if not as well, you have to add in the connection to your Google connection. So all you have to do is just click add here, right? And then you sign in. The next step is to go through Perplexity. So if, again, same thing, if you don't have an API, you can go and get the API through Perplexity. It's actually quite easy. You'll get it in your settings. And if you're not sure how to do it, I'll attach a tutorial below where you can walk through the website steps. If you scroll down, this is what you'll need to type into the messages. So obviously choose Sona, and then choose the messages here. So I've just said, hi, full name, Kenji here from Synapse AI. I got your contact via socials. Just wanted to ask if you're interested in using AI to automate your processes or get new clients. Then you include this one here. In this portion, insert a recommended hook, right? And some of their description as well. And then obviously you can add in a value add there too, right? And just leave that as best regards. So we need to highlight the website URL, the company description, full name, and company name. So I'm just going to get out of that one. Once you've done that, you need to then go and create a email hook. So how you normally do this is you can go here and add, and you just click email here. So from here, you go and connect your Google. So here I can go add, right? And add in your connection. From here, then you have to ensure that you have email, right? And subject filled out. You can choose a subject. You don't have to choose, worth a look for your business, but choose one that is relevant to what you're offering these businesses. And then context, you want to include choices, which is obviously here, and the message. So whatever the message comes up from Perplexity, right? So once you've done that, just make sure you follow this through. Then this one, you have a look here. Make sure you search and update the row, add in your connection. Make sure that there's sheet one, row number, and make sure it's not headed. The thing you need to ensure as well is to change the values from not sent to sent for column G. Because once you've done that, you're basically saying, hey, I've sent the email. Now I'm updating to sent. So that's pretty much the automation here. I think the main thing you probably have to do is to ensure that you've got the right data here as well. So obviously the first row, I just put in my name and my email address. So if I just run it once, right, it's going to send the email to the first email, and we can check it here. So it goes down to, okay, so it's updated, sweet, email. Okay, worth a look, Kanji. Yep. Right, so it says that to subject, priority, references, bundle, message, Cool. And you can see here what the message looks like over here. If we just have a look at the content, right? Cool. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So if I go to, okay, so if you have a look at my email, you can see that I just received the email from myself. So there you have it. You have a system that allows you to send thousands of emails in one go using this automation. If you like this video, please subscribe and obviously follow the links below to get the right links, the tutorials, and anything like that. And I've got a whole bunch of other videos that I share too. So if you like this, feel free to subscribe and yeah, just have a look at all these other resources. But I'll catch you in the next video and happy finding leads.